Bioidentical hormone replacement therapy, or BHRT, a revolution in medicine, health, longevity, and quality of life. Thank you for contacting us and for considering hormone replacement therapy. Our medical center serves all 50 United States and U.S. territories for both women and men over age 30 who can benefit from hormone replacement. Our physicians are up-to-date, board-certified, and experts in hormone replacement therapy, or HRT. Our doctors have on average a minimum 10 years experience in providing professional HRT, HGH shots, testosterone shots, sermorelin shots, supplementation for human longevity, integrative or cell regeneration medicine. Call us about our programs. Then you can make an informed decision about hormone replacement therapy. We look forward to working with you and talking about your long-term health goals and objectives. The information you provide to our medical institute will enable us to create a customized hormone replacement therapy program to optimize your health and well-being and your quality of life. Our institute offers an easy way for individuals to receive a comprehensive medical health assessment and lifestyle evaluation in a single appointment. We focus on the early detection of health and aging issues before they present health problems. We also tailor our services to your individual health needs and your overall lifestyle. We provide a holistic approach of alternative, holistic, integrative, and complementary medicine with one goal in mind: your continued good health. We use a modern, open-minded approach that combines the best of both traditional and natural medicine. To stay youthful, healthy, and active throughout our life, we need proper nutrition to produce new cells for our tissues and organs to regenerate, grow, and function properly. We provide nutritional guidance specifically designed for you. Enzymes perform the most vital work in maintaining our healthy functions. Enzymes are our worker bees and keep our hormones in tip-top shape. Our therapies give your enzymes the boost they need to do their job efficiently. When all of this is in harmony, we will have a fine-tuned, happy physical machine. Our bodies will enjoy tremendous vitality. Cravings will be fewer. Metabolism will function efficiently, as will the burning of calories. Symptoms of a disease are minimized, and we will enjoy a vibrant lifestyle and age gracefully. When you become our client, you will have your personal health executive. If you have any questions, comments, issues, or concerns, please don't hesitate to call from 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. Monday through Friday. Our HRT network is a U.S.-based medical alliance, part of a network of board-certified medical doctors that serve all 50 states. Members of the A4M. We provide FDA-approved BHRT, bioidentical hormone replacement therapy, HGH, human growth hormone, testosterone replacement therapy for adults over the age of 30. These folks are experiencing symptoms of growth hormone deficiency or testosterone deficiency, for example, premature aging and hypogonadism, respectively. Our medical directors are board-certified medical doctors specializing in BHRT, with over 9,000 success stories from successful treatments providing prescribed and monitored HRT, HGH, and testosterone therapy replacement programs. The vast majority of our medical doctors are members of World Health A4M and registered with the Better Business Bureau. Is it time to reinvent your quality of life? It may be right for you, and you are eligible if you are over 30 years old and have 3 or more symptoms of premature aging, such as loss of strength, slow healing ability, insomnia, chronic fatigue, mood swings or depression, memory problems and loss of mental clarity, slow muscle recovery, weight problems, low libido, any other persistent medical condition associated with premature aging. If you suffer from any of these symptoms, consider hormone replacement therapy. If you are experiencing any of these issues or any other symptoms associated with loss of quality of life, please call us to discuss these matters confidentially. Part 1. FDA-approved HGH purposes HGH testing for HGH deficiency. Traditionally, when a person wanted to get a physical exam and have their blood drawn for analysis, they would schedule an appointment to meet with a doctor based on the physician's availability. Then the patient would rearrange their schedule to fit the doctor's availability. We provide you with an alternative approach. We will schedule an appointment for you to meet with one of our medical doctors based upon a time and location convenient for you and has the least impact on your work or personal life. Physical exam and blood work. During your appointment, you will receive a physical exam and have a blood drawn. Your blood is shipped via FedEx overnight delivery to LabCorp, the second largest independent blood analysis company in the United States, for a comprehensive blood analysis. The resulting 4-page analysis of your blood and physical exam is reviewed at our headquarters by our prescribing doctor. Based on the symptoms you report and your blood results, you will be prescribed a customized and monitored HRT program. The startup cost is a one-time $295 fee, complete, no hidden costs and all taxes included, for a physical exam, a 4-page comprehensive blood work panel, and follow-up analysis by one of our doctors. Your prescriptions are available for 1 year, and then you only pay for your medication. Part 2. How to purchase HGH and costs of HGH. Affordable HGH therapy. Due to advances in genetic engineering and improved scientific advances in HGH production in the United States, the cost of pharmaceutically pure bioidentical HGH has come down significantly. Our typical human growth hormone replacement therapy programs start in the low $500 per month, and testosterone replacement therapy programs are $550 for a 3-month program. The cost includes monitoring, medical supplies, shipping, handling, and insurance. Programs which are 6 months or 1 year are even more affordable at 5% and 10% discounts respectively. Affordable monthly payments. We now offer 0% medical and healthcare financing as a courtesy for our credit-worthy clients. And when we say 0% financing, it is precisely that, with no hidden costs or fees. This financing makes our HRT programs convenient for those who would instead make monthly payments, versus paying for their program all at once. For programs involving 6 and 12-month commitments, the price is reduced. You may pay upfront for the entire program or finance at 0% interest with affordable monthly payments. Your personalized HRT program is shipped by overnight delivery via FedEx from a US-based pharmacy directly to your home. For security purposes, a signature is required. If you are new to hormone replacement therapy or looking for a professional, efficient clinic to administer your HRT therapy, our institute is where you need to be. Our board-certified medical doctors will review your condition, discuss treatment options, and develop a customized BHRT, HGH, or testosterone therapy program to put you in the right direction for regaining and keeping your good health. Physician-guided growth hormone therapy is approved for use by adults over age 30 in the United States. Although most hormone replacement therapies are safe, non-toxic, and have no significant adverse side effects, hormone replacement therapy is not always the right choice for everyone. We will inform you of every aspect of our treatments and recommend the right course of action for you. We are looking forward to hearing from you. Yours in health, happiness, and longevity. If you found this video informative, please press the like button and subscribe to the channel. To learn more about health and wellness regarding hormone replacement therapy, please click the link below in the description.